foundation installation job. We're going to remove the wood trim that's around your existing old windows. We're going to be inspecting the wood framing around those windows. By doing this, it helps you find problems that you don't even know you have. So when we remove your existing wood trim, we're going to look for dry rot. We're going to look for existing problems that could, maybe be minor at this particular time, but could become a major problem for you down the road. So what we'll do is take off all the wood trim or cut back your stucco, whichever kind of exterior surface you have on your house. We're going to remove the old window frame completely. We're going to expose everything, re-flash when we put in the new window, and it's going to give you the biggest and the widest opening that you can get with your new windows, meaning that it's going to basically be as wide as the old window was. Here is a casement window that was installed into what we call a block frame installation. What this is actually a lot of homes in older homes in San Francisco, Oakland, Berkeley, Piedmont, or any city that has older historical homes where they had windows that were installed originally back, say, in the 1930s or 40s or 50s, where they put in old wood sash windows. And when they put those old wood sash windows in, the only thing really holding that window into place is wood trim, both on the inside and the outside of that window. You don't have to remove all of that putting in new windows. A lot of them have what's called a slope sill. So this sill right here is sloped 8 degrees. Slope sills are meant to be a way of getting water to leave the sill and not stay on the window sill when it rains. So the slope sill is typically what you see on these older windows. Would remove either the wood trim on the inside or the outside of the window, depending on that window itself. We put in a window that is called a block frame, so it doesn't have any nail fin or retrofit fin with the window. It's just a window itself with a block frame. We install the window, and then we use new wood trim on the inside and outside, or one or the other. We do foam insulation, and that's how a block frame window's job is done. And I'll show you that more on the inside. This is showing a option of retrofitting. So retrofitting is typically, the term is meaning that on the older windows, like this right here, is aluminum. So this was the old aluminum frame that was there before we came out to install the window. So we're showing kind of a progress of how windows are installed. So what you see here is the old aluminum frame. When we measure for the new window, we're leaving a little bit of room. We're installing that window inside the aluminum frame. And by doing that, we don't have to remove the existing trim on the outside of the house. We don't have to break stucco. The job does take a lot less time to do because you're not having to deal with all that extra work. Then after we do that, there's foam insulation that you'll see on the other side of this wall. I'll show you. And then we use a fiberglass trim. And this is a frame expander that goes over the old frame. So you do not see the old aluminum frame when we're done. And it looks just like you got, new construction windows. The only difference is that instead of that frame starting all the way up against this wood trim, that frame starts about an inch less of you'll have about a little bit less of, depends on the size of your old aluminum frames. You may lose a little bit with the retrofit application as far as the amount of glass, because you're making it a little bit smaller and you're going over the aluminum frame. But you could save thousands of dollars by not replacing wood trim and having to repaint. So that's why a lot of people will choose this option. So I was talking about that is new construction. The window comes with 2 cam locks, and then the window opens and closes very, very easy. And it comes with new screens. And what's nice about this window is that it gives you the most amount of glass. We did install wood trim. You don't have to do wood trim. You can just leave your stucco up against your windows. This one here we did what's called jamming and casing with new wood sills. And here, this is the block frame window I was showing. So this right here is basically the wood trim, okay? That wood trim is a 1x1 wood trim. So on the old window, there was a wood trim when we came out to do this job. Let's say we were actually at somebody's house and they have an old wood double hung window, or they have an old wood casement window. We removed the wood trim. The new old window comes completely out. The cavity is 3 1/4 inches when we take it out. This block frame window is exactly 3 1/4 inches. It fits right into that cavity. And then after we're done, we do foam insulation to seal the window and give it the best insulation. And then after that, we put up the wood trim. This is the inside of the retrofit as the demonstration that we have here. And on the outside, I showed you that trim. So here we are. The old aluminum frame is inside here. It's kind of hard to see from what you're looking at there, but trust me, there's an aluminum frame there. And then we ordered the window instead of going all the way. So here's the drywall. This is the sheetrock. Behind that is a wood stud. If we were doing new construction, we'd be cutting back that sheetrock and we'd be going all the way to the studs. Since it's retrofit, we go over the aluminum frame, and that window, instead of going all the way into the sheetrock, is going to start a little bit smaller in the width and also a little bit smaller on the height, because we're leaving the old aluminum frame in place and we're doing what's called retrofit. And then after we do that, we put our foam insulation in, and then we do our trim, our flat trim on the inside. So by the time we do the flat trim on the inside, you really can't tell that the old aluminum frame was even taken out or not taken out. And then after, most people have window coverings. By the time they put their window coverings back up, you don't really know the difference between an installation done retrofit or new construction. The advantages to new construction is a little bit bigger opening because you're now going to the rough frame of the old window. You're also looking for possible leaks and problems that you may have. If you think you do have problems, retrofitting is not for you, because you really need to open everything up and look and see what's going on. But if you're comfortable with the way your walls are, you don't think you have any problems, and you're okay with losing maybe an inch or two on the width and the height of your openings, and you want to save a lot of money, which could be thousands of dollars doing new wood trim and stucco, then doing this installation is totally fine. Grids are all optional. Most people these days are not doing grids. It's not as popular as it was back in the 80s and 90s and early 2000s, but we still have them.